solve the system of equations. Here we have 3 variables and 3 equations. The method I have chosen is elimination, but we could also use substitution or matrices. And without further ado, let's get started. I prefer to number the equations just so that we don't get confused in the process. And my strategy here is going to be to combine equations 1 and 2 and eliminate one variable. Then combine equations 2 and 3 and eliminate the same variable. Very important that we eliminate the same variable. Okay, so let's get started. Equations 1, so x plus y plus z equals 6. Equation number 2, 2x plus y minus z or equals 2. Great. Now I have chosen to eliminate y, so I will subtract these equations. That way the y's are going to cancel out. So x minus 2x is just negative x, y minus y, just 0. Then z minus negative z is just 2z, because minus negative makes a plus. So z plus z, 2z. And 6 minus 2, just 4. Great, so now we have a new equation here, which I'm going to call number 4. With a different color here, just in case. Sorry. Now I'm going to combine equations 2 and 3. And eliminate y as well. Takes me a while just to copy these. Okay. Now, how can I eliminate y? I can just add these equations, because y plus negative y is 0. That's great. So 2x plus x is 3x. Negative z plus 2z is just z. And 2 plus 7 is 9. Great. Now I get equation number 5. Why am I numbering all of these? Well, because that way we're not going to make a mess. And note now that equations 4 and 5 both have x's and z's. So that makes things really easy. So let's combine those. So equation 4 is negative x plus 2z equals 4. And equation 5, just 3x plus z equals 9. But I want to eliminate either x or z, and to do that, I'll multiply this equation by 2, just so that the z's match up, because we have a 2z for equation 4 here. So 3x times 2, 6x, z times 2, 2z, and 9 times 2, 18. Great. Now if I subtract them, negative x minus 6x, negative 7x, 2z minus 2z, gone. That's what I wanted. And 4 minus 18, negative 14. Now I can divide both sides by negative 7, and x is just 2. Great, so I have found one variable. Now I just have to find y and z. Now I'm just going to plug in, actually let me number these equations anyways. That was 4 and that was 5. I'm going to choose equation 4, plug in x equals 2 into it, and solve for z. So equation number 4 again, negative 2. So just plugged it in here. Plus 2z equals 4. Negative 2 plus 2z equals 4. So I'm going to add 2 to both sides of the equation. These cancel out. So 2z is equal to 6. Then I can divide both sides by 2. And z will be 6 over 2, which is 3. So z is 3. Now we can finally find y. And to do that, I'm going to plug both z and x into equation number 1. And I left myself very little room, like always. You'll have some room on the right side there. And yeah, that's great. So equation 1 x is 2, y we don't know, z is 3, that's equal to 6. So 2 plus 3, 5 of course. You can subtract 5 from both sides of the equation. And y, 6 minus 5, 1. That's it. So we have solved our system, and we can write the solution as x, comma, y, comma, z. That's it.